this is Mantia, and I would love to tell you about all the wonderful things going on in kindergarten at Sacred Heart in Valley Park, if you could come in for a visit. Even with all the distancing and the procedures in place, I'm amazed at how resilient our kindergartners are and how they wear masks without complaint. I'm looking forward to more hugs and getting to actually see their sweet and smiling faces all day, not just when they're eating snack or our lunch. Come in and I'd love to talk to you about our program here.
So please come visit us here at Sacred Heart Catholic School in Valley Park, where I promise we have the best faith formation programs, rigorous academic programs, a wonderful parent, student, faculty, and staff community, and some of the best facilities around. So, enrollment is open and tuition assistance is available. Please feel free to give us a call to set up a tour, and we will see you soon.